Hi, my name is Arun. I studied at British India Academy for 15 days as a part of the crash course. Because of the good efforts of the teachers and the staff here, I was able to get good marks in IELTS. I did my IELTS in general training and I got overall band of 8. I got 8.5 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7.5 in speaking and 7.5 in writing. It was a good experience here overall. So I was able to improve myself. When I came here first, I had a score of 6.5 to 7. With the effort of all the teachers here and this great staff, I was able to improve my score to 7. And for the exam, I was able to get 8. This was a really good experience for me over here. The atmosphere was really good. The people and the staff over here were really friendly, and I was able to get any help whenever I needed, and all the teachers were really supportive and they gave the tips to improve, and they always made sure that we did our best to achieve what we want. This was overall a good experience for me, and I would recommend anyone to British India Academy who are trying to write their IELTS, as this is a very good institution and will definitely will be able to improve your score.